In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Facebook Messenger video call sound problem. Alright, so I'm starting right here on my screen, and the first thing I'm going to do is head over to Facebook. Go ahead and open it up just like this. Whether you're on your browser or app, it should look pretty familiar. Once it loads in, you'll see your usual homepage with your feed and everything. Now from here, I'm going to move my attention up to the top part of the screen, and you should see the messenger icon. It usually looks like a little chat bubble with a lightning bolt inside. I'm just going to click on that. As soon as I do that, a small panel pops up showing recent conversations. Alright, once that's open, what I'm looking for next is the three dot icon. It's usually somewhere near the top of that messenger panel. So I'm just going to go ahead and click on those three dots. This is where a few more options start to show up. Now at this point, you'll see a list of settings or options you can adjust. I'm just scanning through here. And what I'm looking for is something called incoming call sounds. It should be right there in the list. Go ahead and click on that option once you see it. So now we're inside that setting, and this is where the issue usually comes from. If your messenger video call doesn't have sound when someone is calling you, this setting might be turned off. So what I'm going to do is look for the toggle switch right next to incoming call sounds. If it's off, it will usually look kind of grey or inactive. So I'm just going to tap or click on it to turn it on. Once I do that, you should see it change, usually turning blue or indicating that it's now enabled. And yeah, that's pretty much it. It's a really small setting, but it makes a big difference. Once that's done, your messenger should now play sound when you receive a video call, so you won't miss anything anymore. If you want to double check, you can leave it like this and maybe have someone try calling you just to confirm that the sound is working properly. But most of the time, just turning this on fixes the issue right away. So again, just to keep it simple, as I'm doing it here, open Facebook, tap the messenger icon at the top, go into the three dots, find incoming call sounds, and make sure that toggle is switched on. And once that's done, you're good to go.